Alright, been pretty busy over the holidays, you know how that goes, so now that that's over with, can get back to working on this bad boy. So I got a lot more paint off of the motor. Actually, I decided to try some chemical stripper on the projectors here, using this stuff here. Got it at Menards, so seems to be working pretty good. Paint is really bubbling up, so just wanted to show you guys that. So got 12 horns to do. This is my second one here. So as soon as I get them all done, I'll throw up another video and show you where I'm at.